Ever wondered how professional investors pick winning stocks while the average person struggles to make a profit? Well, today, I'm going to reveal the secret strategies that top investors use to consistently beat the market. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to pick the right stocks like a pro. So, make sure to watch till the end because you don't want to miss these powerful insights. Let's get started. 1. Understanding the business. Invest in what you know. The first rule of picking a winning stock is understanding the business behind it. Ask yourself, do I understand how this company makes money? If not, then investing in it might be a gamble rather than a smart decision. Example, think about companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. People who understood the growth potential of these businesses and invested early have made life-changing returns. What to look for? What does the company do? Who are its customers? What makes it different from competitors? Question for you. Have you ever invested in a stock without fully understanding the company? If yes, what was the outcome? Share your experience in the comments. 2. Analyzing financial health. The backbone of a strong investment. A strong company has strong financials. Before investing, always check these key indicators. Key metrics to analyze. Revenue growth. Is the company making more money year over year? Profit margins. How much profit does it keep after expenses? Debt levels. Is it drowning in debt or managing finances well? Example, imagine two businesses. One grows its revenue consistently and has low debt, while the other is drowning in loans. Which one would you trust more as an investment? Question for you. Do you check financial statements before investing, or do you rely on recommendations? Let me know in the comments. 3. Evaluating market trends. The power of timing. Even a great company can be a bad investment if you buy at the wrong time. Understanding market trends can help you enter at the right moment. Bull versus bear markets. Bull market. Prices are rising. Investors are optimistic. Bear market. Prices are falling. Fear takes over. Example. During the 2008 financial crisis, stock prices crashed, but those who bought undervalued stocks back then made huge profits in the following years. Question for you. Do you think the market is currently in a bull or bear phase? Drop your thoughts below. 4. Looking at the competitive edge. What makes a company special? A company with a competitive edge stands out in the market. This could be a unique product, a strong brand, or innovative technology. Examples of competitive advantage. Apple, strong brand loyalty and premium products. Google, dominance in the search engine market. Tesla, cutting-edge technology and innovation. Tip, if a company has something others can't easily copy, it has a competitive edge. Question for you. What company do you think has the strongest competitive advantage right now? Let me know in the comments. 5. Valuation, buying at the right price. Even the best company can be a bad investment if you overpay. Smart investors always check whether a stock is fairly valued before buying. Key valuation metrics. P/E ratio, price to earnings ratio, lower is usually better. P/B ratio, price to book ratio, helps identify undervalued stocks. Dividend yield. If the company pays dividends, how much return are you getting? Example. Think of stocks like a sale at your favorite store. Would you rather buy at a discount or overpay? The same logic applies to investing. Question for you. Do you wait for a dip before buying, or do you invest at any price? Share your strategy below. And there you have it. These 5 strategies can help you pick winning stocks like a pro. But remember, investing takes patience and knowledge. So, do your research and invest wisely. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more investing tips, and comment below with your thoughts. And don't forget to share this video with a friend who's looking to improve their investing game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy investing!